Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my Wantable birthday box. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks that are not the best behaved yet because they're all still puppies, but we have Dexter the Beagle, Loki the Westie, and we have Willie, who is a Jack Russell. I'm Laura. If you're new, and I hopefully didn't say that yet, please stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing it. All right, there's Willie. Yes, you're bad. And this is Loki. You can see Dexter's head. All right, so Wantable is a styling service. You get up to, I believe it's 9 items now, where you can keep 5 or more and get a discount. Well, you might be grandfathered into the keep 5 or more and get 20% off, and that's for your everyday, like the regular edits. But for any of the themed edits, and for any, I think, new subscribers, they have switched to a discount model. Now, I will say, if you don't typically buy 5 or more, the discount model may work to your advantage. I'm seeing advantages to both sides, so I haven't really decided yet which I like better. But for I'm grandfathered into the 20% off on my regular style boxes. They have 3 different boxes. The style box, which is your everyday, weekend, work, vacation wear. They have the active edit, which is workout, work leisure. They have the sleep and body edit, which is your jammies, intimates, sleep leisure. They also have a men's edit if you want one for the men in your life. Okay, so you can get them on a regular cadence and just get the regular boxes. That's what I mean about if you already have it, you're probably grandfathered into the 20% off. But they also have themed edits in all of those categories. If you do any of the themed boxes, which I tend to like, then I think it reverts to the discount model. So if you keep 3 or more, I think it's $25. If you keep 5, I think it's 5 or 6, it's $60. I'll read it to you once we get in here because I'm pretty sure this is going to be a themed box. So my birthday was at the beginning of the month, and they offered me, I think, $25 towards this box. So I decided to do it, and let's get right into it. Okay, so Wantable is doing a lot of fun things. I think their boxes have gotten better and better. You can request to a certain stylist, like keep the one you had or exchange it. They have a preview now, which I love. I want to say it's a 8 or 12 hour preview window where you can look at the items, pick what you like, and then ask for other specific things. They added more items, so it used to be 7 items. Now you can get up to 9, and they also have a shop, so if you are a subscriber, go to shop.wantable.com. You can buy things directly. So a lot of things that they're doing to try to up their game. So this is a nice long box. See, it's I have my personalized sticker there, instructions on what to do if you're not sure. All right, let's see. This is a very long box. So, first up, there is a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. You do get a pamphlet that tells you all about your box. This is my exclusive birthday box. It says, this edit takes the cake. Happy birthday, Laura. And yeah, I got $25 applied towards the total. Jordan was my stylist for this one. They're also letting you know Cozy-tober is going on. If you love their boxes, I did already ask for mine. So I do think they have some fun cozies in there. Let's see, this looks interesting. First up, I'm seeing some Leopard. This is by Sadie and Sage. It's like a little leopard mesh top. The neck looks a little high, so that's scaring me. That might not work, but it's cute. Very stretchy. I wonder if I asked for that one. So you can go in and, no, I have no requested items in this one. None. Okay, that's interesting. But you can request items, so if you request or decline, if you request it, it goes on your wish list, and when your size becomes available, you have a good chance of getting it. Next up, this looks like a skirt. This is by Mac Studio. Little vegan leather skirt. That's nice. Check out that seaming detail. Looks like it's pull-on style. A-line. That's adorable. That would look really cute with high boots. I have something from Dear John. These are the Taylor high-rise straight leopard jeans. Those are fun. Check out the stretch in those. I like that with the nice lighter background. Those are adorable. Okay, I love that. Next up, I have hidden the Happy Mid-Rise Comfort Flare. Oh, and check out that additional detail there with the, what is it? Oh, it's like little pleats, not even a pleat, just like an extra little stitching there. Do you see that? Like a seam? Those look long. Those are cute though. All right, in the black. This is a really big box. I have something from Thread and Supply, little tank. Nice easy tan tank. I have a sweater here. Oh, that looks cute. What's next is cute. This is by ACOA. And I think, yeah, little twist front back. So here's the front. And here's the back. So you could put that little tank on underneath too, probably, if you wanted. That's cute. Check out the jacket. I feel like this is similar to the outfit I have on today. I have on a matching skirt and jacket. This is by Dear John, and it is the Diane crop denim jacket that matches the pants. How adorable is that? It is denim, but it has stretch. It's a little cropped look. Do you see that unfinished bottom? This is so cute. I love the different versions of Leopard, you know, compared to what I have on, like very different looks. Here is a sweater by Apricot, the vertical knit Batwing jumper. So that's the dolman sleeve or the Batwing sleeve, which is not my favorite type of sleeve. Can't say I don't ever wear it, but it's not my favorite. The color of this is pretty. I like teal, but we'll see. And the last item is a pair of jeans by Artemis. These are the high-rise cuffed wide leg. These have nice stretch. Check out that hem. I think Artemis is a newer collection they're carrying. Check out the seaming detail in the back there. A little extra stitch here. All right, well, I think this is going to be a fun try on. Let's do it. All right, so for my first outfit, I went with the items I was the most unsure about. The hidden pants with this interesting seaming detail going down the sides. You can see they are really long, which was my fear. I even put a heel on, but they are really, really long. So these are a no for me because I'm enjoying this thicker hem, and I think it would be hard to duplicate it. Plus, I'm not sure how I feel about this seaming detail. Like, I'm not sure about this. I think it's an interesting detail. I'm just not sure. The same with this sweater top. Okay, so high neck, number one. That's not working for me. The back is cute. I don't think it would be bra friendly, so I did leave my tank on. It's just okay. I do think that you could turn it around if you wanted to and wear it both ways. Another reason why I put a tank on, because I wanted us to see what that might look like. Don't want to mess with the tags. And I like that much better. I think that is cute. So I would wear it this way. Has the little twist. Be really cute over a top of a tank, just like I have on right now. Put a fun belt on. I like that it comes up, so if you're wearing a fun belt, you'll be able to see it really well. Yeah, I think that's cute. These jeans are way, way, way too long. I'm going to cuff them just so you guys can see how they fall if you're interested in them. I am 5'5" for reference. I think they have a nice leg to them. Just too long for me. Okay, so for the Happy Mid-Rise Flare with the side pin tucks in charcoal wash, I'm wearing a 26, $94. For the short sleeve twist back pullover in sand, I'm wearing an extra small by ACOA, $59. But you know what, you can wear it both ways, front or back. And then, yeah, I think that's it for this time. The tank I had on. Next outfit. All right, so now I have on the Artemis wide leg cup jean. I'm very much enjoying this pair. They fit nicely. They're hitting me in a good place on my legs, so it allows me to wear different shoe choices with it. They are a wider leg. I'm enjoying them very much, so I like these. Paired it with this Batwing sweater. It has holes in it, so I kept my black tank on underneath it. I can tell you I'm not loving this one at all. Let me do a front tuck and see if that makes it any better. But a little bit better. So aside from the color, the style of the sweater is just not me. I don't like it. Here's a closer look. There's so many things I have to add to my profile. I'm sure it's hard for them to keep track of it. I have to add Batwing and dolman sleeves. So this is the vertical knit Batwing pullover in teal. I'm wearing an extra small. It's by Apricot, $69. And then the high-rise cupped wide leg jeans in medium wash. I'm wearing a 25 by Artemis Vintage, $99. And this one will have the earn cash back credit. So if I keep it's 3 items, you get $30 back. 6 items, $75 back. 9 items, $120 back. And it's not towards this purchase, it would be towards the next one. Next outfit. Okay, so now I have on this skirt, which I think is adorable. Easy on, lots of room in the hips. It's a nice length, so you could wear it with boots, you could wear it with a heel. I really like it. It's just a perfect fit for me. Elastic waist, so it feels nice and comfy, nothing tight. Paired back to this tank, which I actually am really enjoying. It is kind of low here on the sides, and it is too high on the neck, so I'm not sure if I'm actually going to keep it, but I'm loving the fit. It's hitting like right at the waistband. It is lined, so hitting right at the waistband, so you don't even need to bother tucking it. It just seems to fit perfectly, and if you raise your hand, it's not really moving. So it's such a nice top, and I love that I don't have to stress about if it's tucked or not. So I don't know if I would be able to stand the neckline, but I'm leaning towards giving it a try. I'll see how much it is. But I actually like this whole outfit. I feel like you could just throw a blazer on and it'd be perfect for work. Or throw tennies on, it'd be fun for the weekend. Throw a jean jacket on for a casual look. I feel like you could do a lot with this. Okay, so for this awesome skirt, the vegan leather midi skirt in black, I'm wearing a small by Mac Studio, $88. And I do love how my stylist is kind of changes my sizing based on how the products run or how the items run. So I think that's awesome because so far she's spot on. For the Reverie Leopard Mockneck, so they all are calling it Mockneck, tank in brown multi, I'm wearing an extra small, $58. This is a fun outfit. I like this one. Final outfit, how about all leopard? This is amazing. Okay, I quickly did do the sleeve. I wanted you to see what it looked like, cuff as well as down. So it's not too long. I could wear it down. I tend to cuff things, so I thought I would do both at first here. This jacket is super fun. It has the unfinished hem here with the extra seaming. I really like that. Almost like a, yeah, almost like an overlap. It has no side pockets here. Yeah, pockets at the top. It is cropped, so hitting me right at the bottom of the waistband of the jeans. Paired it with the tank. This was the final top in this collection. This is a nice rib tank in a neutral, like just perfect add-on if I need another basic in my wardrobe. I think this is a nice one. Nothing wrong with it. And then the pants. The pants are really nice too, hitting me right at my waist. They're a nice length. They go well with these shoes I have on, so a little bit of a heel. You like them, Dexter? I don't think anyone can see how long they are, Dex. I can't see. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, I like them. I think they're a really nice pant. They have stretch. They feel nice on. You could wear the black skirt with this, right, and wear it with the fun jacket. You could wear just the black tank or black on top for the pants too. So you can mix and match some pieces and create a cute fall capsule with some of these pieces. All right, so for the Taylor high-rise straight leg jean and safari leopard, I'm wearing a 26 by Dear John 108. The Diane crop denim jacket and safari leopard extra small by Dear John 108. And the Edlin tank and taupe heather, I'm wearing an extra small by Thread and Supply, $41. So let's talk about these pieces. What do you think I should keep? All right, so let's start with what I have on right now, which is the jacket and the jeans. I really do like both of these. I think they're fun to wear separately or together in love. The tank, yeah, I could keep it. It's just a nice basic tank, not too high on my neck. So I may add that as well. This sweater is a no for me. I think that was a given. These pants are a no for me, or that denim is a no for me. And I usually like hidden, so that pair just didn't work out. This is a maybe. I'm thinking about this. And I love, love, love the skirt. Loved it. I think it's so elevated. It'd be so nice in the office. I liked this. The Artemis jean with the cuff. And I liked this sweater as well, but I liked it in the front. So, not sure if I should get it or not, but it also would look nice with the black skirt. It would look nice with this outfit, like you wear it with the jeans. So you could mix and match a lot of the pieces inside this collection. So for everything, let's see, $724 for everything. And then they gave me $25 towards keeping anything because it was my birthday box, plus the $20 styling fee comes off, so $679 for all 7. I already mentioned I'm not keeping the Batwing sweater. I'm not keeping the hidden denim. The rest I'm considering. So just taking those 2 items off would be close to $200. So we'll see. Let me know what you think. I will list all these down below in case you would like to request any of them from your stylist or add any of them to your favorites or even shop them in the shop. And I'll put all the information for Wantable down below in case you'd like to give this service a try. I do really enjoy it, and my boxes have been getting so good, and I do usually keep at least 3 items. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go. Hit the swipe to hit that hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.